Okay, so these are the Aspire Breeze. I got two of them here, the red one and the silver. So let's open the silver. And it comes in this. Open it like that. You're gonna have your manual, your warranty card, and then your O-rings. And here's your device. Here, the charging cable and your coil. Came with two of them. One of them I already put in. So, I have, like I said, the red and the silver. I have had this one. I just got this one today. So, this one actually is giving me some problems. It stopped working earlier. It just blinks purple. It won't work. So I don't really know what happened. Probably gonna have to take it back tomorrow. But anyway, up close look. Here's the line. That's your fill line. You can't fill it past that line there. It's your airflow button. And of course your charging port on the back. No, excuse me, the bottom. This just comes right off like this. This mouthpiece has a metal, like a screwdriver, flathead, and you stick it in here like this, twist it, get that off. Really easy. I know I already did a video on this, but just wanted to show you up close what it looked like. I really like the way these look. You can see in the red one here, I have a 0.6 ohm coil in here. I also had bought today a 5-pack of coils. It's a 5-pack. These are the 0.6 ohms. They come in separate blister packs like that. Of course, I've already took out 2 of them. I gave one to my girlfriend, but so it's a 5-pack. 5-pack cost me about $18 for 5 of them.